Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Dollar Tree haul, guys. I went to Dollar Tree on my lunch and I found some really cute fall items. I'm going to show you guys the clip of the items that I found, and then at the end of this video I'm going to show you what I decided to get. Now here are the items that I decided to get because I think I'm going to make a wreath for my front door. I have a really pretty like bouquet that I've made in the past to go on my front door for fall, but I think I may change that up, or I just may do something else with this decor. But I want to show you guys, it's super cute. This little pumpkin, this little like beaded pumpkin is really cute. I've got that one. I've got another one. Isn't that pretty? So cute. Then I got the maple, clip-on maple leaves. Okay, so I got the gold. These are like a pretty orange. And then I got the darker brown or chocolate or whatever you want to call it. Then I got this really pretty ribbon. It's like it's got foil leaves on it, but it's also sheer. If you can see it, that's going to be really cute to make something with that. I had to get some rocks as well. This is going to go inside my bamboo plants that I showed on the video on my and my husband's channel. And what else did I get? I got those little the little tea light holders that I talked about on the Bath and Body Frugal Tip Tuesday video. Look at these pretty ones that I found in the Dollar Tree. Yes, isn't that pretty? I got an orange one because that is going to match the colors in my living room. And the other color I got was white. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, you put your little tea light right there, and then you put your leftover wax from your candles. I will pop that video above so you guys can go and watch it, see what I'm talking about. And yeah, another usage for your leftover Bath and Body candle wax that you can't seem to get burned. The wick is down too low. Yes, guys, I found some great things at the Dollar Tree. Some great fall decor finds. I think really cute. I think they're cute because they don't look cheesy, okay? I don't like cheesy looking stuff. So to me, they do not look cheesy. You're trying to get you some home decor stuff. You need to make some fall wreaths. I think you need to go and check out your local Dollar Tree. Now, let me know in the comments below the video if you guys have seen fall decor in your Dollar Tree, and if you found some good things that I didn't show you today, let us know in the comments below the video. I'm sure the lovely people would love to know about it. And that is it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.